Good morning! For the land of España, Gran Canaria, with my hair. Actually, dito kami para i-celebrate ang birthday ng aking pinakamamahal na Jowa Bells. Pare, ang sipon ko day. Lamig kagabi. Did you feel cold last night?
Beetje.
Ja, ang lamig.
Helemaal ben je inderdaad fijn, man.
Tapos ang nipis pa ng mga tropical.
Because we need to get used to not too much cover in the night.
Yeah, ang lamig talaga. Okay, at ako ay niligo at tayo ay magbe-breakfast. Quick shower lang me because I showered last night.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Ay, ayun na, ang dami ng tao sa baba. Yes! We are outside now, going to nowhere. We are Rio Papaya. Hi, sir.
Hey.
Where we gonna go, here or there?
Wil je naar de Jumbo of wil je naar het strand?
Ja, nee, just walk around later the strand. Where?
Why not?
Hallo.
This winkle area. Bar area. Rio Papayas. Halika, lakad tayo. Yes! Dito tayo sa walking area. May supermarket dito. Supercar George from Chumanilin. Central Commercial. We'll open over there. Yeah. Pico Kopi. Pika Pika, yeah. You know what's Pika Pika for us?
No?
Like kutkutin. Like you can get a small bus like Borels.
Borrel?
Hopjes and Borel. Something like that.
Klein beetje.
Yeah, klein beetje. Ah, this is a souvenir shop.
Ja.
Ang cute! Like and they say, oh, it's a souvenir shop. Ay! Ang gaganda.
Fine shirt, peaceful.
You know, until here. Dito yan, sa malapit sa hotel. Ano, marami din sila nito. Ito is sa, sa refrigerator. After we eat, I said we walk first before we lay down in the beach. Oh, we need to... How's your walk now?
Beter dan gisteren.
Oh, beter. Back to the room. I changed dahil kami ay pupunta sa magsuswimming na kami. At hindi ko nadadali ng camera natin at tayo ay magpapa-fresh. Today is the reading book. Reading book today, okay? See you later, alligator, mga kamimay. Yes! I'll be back again in the hotel. Ah, grabe, nangitim na agad ako. Oh. Grabe, ang saya. Ako ay nagsayaw-sayaw. Hindi ko kasi dinalang camera. Sabi ko nga, dadaling ko. Tignan nyo naman, oh. Ito na yung aming labas. Oh, itong aming balcony. Ang saya noon, oh, merong prutas. Ayan, doon kami nakahiga. Kanina doon. Nagsayaw-sayaw ako doon. Atin ako ng Aqua Vida. Aqua. Ganda, oh. Meron malaking palmeras. Saya. Hi! Actually, mga kamimay, kadadating lang namin kahapon. So, ngayon lang kami nakarelax. Hindi pa nga ako nakakaalis. Meron na eksena sa Pilipinas. Yung isang pamangking ko, nabalian ng buto. Ngayon nga lang ulit ako ng bakasyon. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa kanila. Ang hirap talaga. Alam mo, kahit ako'y nasa bakasyon, minsan nag-e-edit talaga ako. Para lang may mapalabas ako sa YouTube. Kahit pa paano, kahit hindi malaki, meron akong simple na pambiling kape, meron ako sa sarili ko. Ayun ang sinasabi ko sa kanila. Hanggang ngayon hindi sila natututo na dapat meron kang emergency fund. Nagsisave tayo para sa ating emergency. Paano yung mga ganyang eksena sa buhay? Yeah. Anong gagawin ko? Di ba mga kamimay? Okay, bawal na mag-emote. Dito na tayo sa labas. Sa taas, second floor. Ay, kay or two. Ay, they have some visitors coming in.
Oh, yeah.
You know, okay. Ayun ang beach area.
Yeah.
Ganda. Scott. Hi, Scott.
Hey, let's eat.
Yeah, kakain na kami. Ayan, no. Bababa na kami, oh. Ayan ang swimming pool namin. Ang hangin! Oh, pak! Nag-ano kami? Pak! Ang outfit ng kami, may walang gano'n. Uy, walang gano'n. Nag-ano lang kami, laki ng elevator dahil para matagtag. Tabaan na agad. Grabe. All inclusive. Dinner, lunch, snack, breakfast, may in-between pa, at may po super pa drinks si Mayor dito. Ganon. Dito kami sa Chinese restaurant. Dahil inclusive, kasama yan sa binayaran. Kailangan ko lang magpabook. Yan dito. Yan o. May calamari menu. Calamari menu, I think. Oh, they have Dom Piazzo.
Oh.
Wow, not so bad. May they have a salad also. Wow. Wow.
Like sushi pockets, huh?
Turlic. Wow. Amazing buffet. Wow. And what's the other side? It's the south also. Calamari, baby. What can you say in the Chinese? All inclusive.
In all these years that we go in hotels that are having a nice buffet usually for dinner, this is the first one with more than one restaurant. There's not only buffet. Yeah, actually this is also buffet.
So lovely, yeah.
Asian.
Yeah.
So you can eat sushi.
It's immaculate.
And my
Hi! Nandito na kami sa labas. Walking muna kami. Talagang busog na busog si kami, may. Talagang, naagad ako sa isang araw pa lang. Diyos ko. Dito kami sa center. Yambo Center. Centrum. Discovery ng jowa. Dito yan sa Gran Canaria. Let's go. Grabe, ang laki pala nito. Hanggang baba pala, oh. Oh! Meron mango. Oh! Wow. Miramar Restaurant. Oh, restaurant pala sa baba. Oh. Grabe, ang laki. Where we gonna go? Where? Yeah. Let's walk.
Send me eindelijk ook wel Casa de las Carcasas.
Sorry?
For your iPad, iPhone, whatever.
Lamento. Maganda tayo. Mag-chance. For today's video, pupunta tayo. May mga nag-gym. For today's video, pupunta tayo sa beach. Magbe-beach tayo mga beach. Art. May pa-art sila doon. The morning view. Oh, sunny with the pulp. We are here waiting for the bus going to this Playa Strand Beach. 10:15. 10 horas. 10:15. 10:30. So, no problem dahil ito ay free travel. Charot. Yippee! Nasa bus na kami ng aking jowa. We are on the special bus papunta sa beach. Mga beach. Hi! Let's tour for today. Going to the beach. Mga campiring yan. Yan. Camping yan. May mga hotel din doon. Oh. Daming hotel. Daming camping. Grabe. Grabe ang tourist. Grabe ang tourist din dito dahil panalo. Oh, dito na tayo sa beach. Mga beach. Excited ba kayo sa mga beach? Beach. Let's go to the beach. Dito na tayo sa beach. Mga beach. Yan, nagbabaan ng mga beach. Wow! Let's walk.
And I like the temperature.
Yeah. What you like?
A while ago in the hotel it's only 22, but here it's 28.
Oh, yeah, 28. Let's go. Welcome to Mas Palomas Beach. Mga beach. Mas Palomas Grand Canaria.
Yeah, what's the name of the beach?
Palomas.
Playa de Ingles.
Playa de beach. Let's go.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Yes, we will walk here. Ganda. Ang ganda. Kasing ganda corn. Ganon. Oh. We walk where?
I used to live close.
Oh, yeah.
I will say last year for 5. Now I will pay 3.
Wow, they have a special effect in the beach, kike. Oh, the sun.
Like a painting.
Yeah, kike. Oh. Ooh. Wow, special effect, really.
Volcanic sands mixed with the white sand.
Kike. Oh. Whoop, the corals. Whoop, walking in the beach. So good. We are in the beach with my beachaholic. Beachaholic. We are in Mas Palomas, Gran Canaria. Leka. So, bye-bye. Habulin mo ako, lagyan. Kita nyo ba yung mga batong yan? Galing yan sa sa dagat. Pagbukas mo dito, ang daming bato. Tingnan nyo. From the land of the dagat. Charot. Oh. Ang dami, grabe. Pinaybay niya. Grabe. Oh. Ay. Walk to. In 5 you have your
if you agree to your money.
Wow.
There, next to the row line here.
May pangalan si President Rodrigo in Gran Canaria. Bigay ko kaya yan, charot. Pablo. Links to Kaiken. Yes, we go back in the bus, free bus shuttle. Onso. Oh, bye-bye. Yeah. Mas Palomas, Gran Canaria. Shopping centers, Anexo 3. Diba? Ayan yan. Oh, kita nyo mga kamimay? Oh, nasa loob tayo ng shuttle bus. Oh, balik ako doon. Pamasaya ko talaga doon. Yan, Mas Palomas. Ooh, ano na ho? Ever shimmer before. Ayun ang hotel, Rio Hotel. Ayun sa kabila. Dito, after nitong observatories. Papasok tayo sa loob. Let's go! After we eat, we walk. Dito tayo mag-walk. What we can see there? Sa Boven. Okay, let's go. We will go here, mga kamimay. Let's go here. But you can walk overpass a supermarket there. But we will go upstairs. Ayan yung hotel namin, yung likod. This is our hotel, right?
Yeah.
Oops. Ang jowa. Continue, jowa. I'm just filming, vlogging, whatever you gonna say. And you gonna say. You gonna say. Woo! Seoul! Korean food! Oh. That's the Bull Hotel. Oh, wow. This is the front. This is our hotel. Wow, laki pala. Scott, so big our hotel. Kike off. So, nasa middle of nowhere, charet. Ganda. In fairness. Ay, that's the closing. Remember, we cannot open that because it's closed. You don't remember that? The lights that we open inside our hotel.
Yeah.
But we cannot open.
Yeah.
Because you said that it's
Big road.
Yeah, big road. This is the Seaside Collection. This is a supermarket, you say? And they have a Korean. This is a Korean. Oh, wow. Oops. Dito na tayo sa Real España. Charot. Gran Canaria. Another nay. Yes, Klakirai.
Only frozen.
Yeah.
Frozen.
Wow. Not bad. Frozen carnes. Frozen chicken. Nice. Whoops. Everything is frozen, right? Let's go. Let's explore this area. Ganda. Dormitory room. Nay. For the bed. Gran Canaria Optical. May mga bar din siya, bar street, oh. 'Di ba? Ganda. Pupunta tayo sa pharmacy. Bibili tayong vitamin E dito. Pharmacia Linda. Let's go inside. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Vitamina E. Gracias. Hi! Nandito kami sa loob ng mall. Ganda. Hi, Scott.
I tried to balance down.
Maybe they have for the charger. Nice. Salon in Bella Vista, El Centro Comercial del Sur. Very nice. Ayan, no, fix, but so. Dito kami sa loob ng supermarket. At what are you gonna buy? Huh?
Oh wow.
No, we don't need to bring. Dami mong gustong bilhin. Tayo naka-aeroplano.
I'm just overwhelmed by all the choices.
If we bring our car mass, maybe September or what? Yaka na naman. Dami na nagugit na overwhelmed daw siya. Mga kamimay. Mura kasi, mura as in. Mga rice oil, ang presyo 1.81.
Rice is for your rice, bro?
Where we gonna? That's only the brown that we buy before. Not here, maybe in Mercadonia. Let's go. Ang daming costume. Oh, fuck. Oh. Ang daming costume. Nay, almost tastes the same. It's nice the other one with the carnival.
Oh, they have even sizes S, M, and O.
Which one?
This is S, for example.
Nay.
They have different sizes. That's good. That's not
okay.
one size fits all.
Super Latino! Super Latino siya, guys. Mesame! Liwanag?